Hey there, Chef Donna here, and welcome to Everyday Homemade. Today, I am going to be making a pork tenderloin stuffed with cinnamon apples. Oh yes, it's that good. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm going to do is get my apple cut up, and I'm going to toss it in some cinnamon. So I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of cinnamon to this bowl here. This is a pretty large apple. So now I'm going to slice the apple up. So I'm just going to cut around the core. I'm going to put the slice down this way, here, just like that. Then we're going to cut it into slices. I'm going to discard these little end pieces. Now we're going to take the apple and we're going to toss it into the bowl with the cinnamon. Now that my apples are all nice and coated with cinnamon, I'm going to go ahead and set them aside, and we're going to prep the pork tenderloin. Now the silver skin has been removed and it's pretty cleaned up, but I want to cut slices into the pork tenderloin. And I don't want to cut them all the way through. I just want to bring them about 3/4 of the way. Now, the fun part. I'm going to grab the apples and I'm just going to place them into the little slits that we made right down the pork tenderloin, just like this. Now that all of my apples are stuffed in, I'm just going to go ahead and season it with some salt and some fresh black pepper. I have a small little baking dish here that I'm going to put it in. I've lightly greased the bottom with just a little bit of olive oil. So I'm going to go ahead and transfer the pork right into our dish. I do have some remaining apples, so I'm going to sprinkle them along the sides of the pork tenderloin and just have them bake right in there with it. The oven is set at 350 degrees. I'm going to get it into the oven and bake about 20 to 25 minutes, and then we'll do a quick temperature check. I just took the pork out of the oven, so I'm going to do a quick temperature check and make sure we're at a safe temperature. So a safe temperature for pork is 145 degrees. So we're there, like 150, 156. Yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to let it rest for about 10 minutes, and then I'm going to have a taste. I have the pork on my cutting board. It has rested for a few minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and just take a little bite off the end. I just want to get a taste of the pork with that apple. I'm going to actually save this for dinner tonight, but I want to go ahead and have a quick taste now. So I make sure I get a piece of that apple in there. Oh my goodness, it's so good. The pork is nice and tender. The apple still has a little bit of crispness to it, so it's not completely mush. And then the cinnamon just packs a punch in there. I can't wait for you to try this one. So today I showed you how to make a really quick and easy pork tenderloin with a little extra pizzazz. By adding the apples in the cinnamon, it just gives it such a great flavor. So I hope you enjoyed the video today. If you did, go ahead and like and subscribe to never miss an episode. And until next time, I hope you keep it homemade every day. Bye everyone!